I can't remember the last time I've had breakfast in a hotel room. It just arrived and I'm hungry. So let's do some breakfast. We're not doing breakfast in bed, but we're doing breakfast at our beautiful table here, and then we're gonna sip some coffee on the porch outside with absolutely stunning golf views this morning. Let's see what we ordered.
Your breakfast, madam.
Russell got their parfait, which looks absolutely delicious. Looks like granola, fresh berries, local honey in there. I got 2 scrambled eggs and their famous hash browns. My parents are always raving about how awesome their hash browns are, so I'm excited to finally try them. And then we got a little pot of coffee in our cups, and it comes in a nice tray like this. We are finishing up breakfast, sipping some coffee. My scrambled eggs and hash brown were absolutely delicious. I tried 2 bites of Russell's parfait. Had golden raisins in there, local honey, fresh fruit. Was so good. And I think we're gonna go explore the Henderson and also take a little walk to the inn. Maybe take a walk on the beach. We are trying to figure out the whole map and layout of the resort because it's a lot bigger than I think a lot of people are aware of. There's a lazy river and hot tubs and 2 different pools that I believe are all heated. So we're gonna go scope all of that out, and we may come back up after that, change into swimsuits, and get in the pool or the hot tub. Cannot get over this view. So this is the main part of the Henderson here. The rooftop bar is right there. That's where they have the bonfire at night. The green space there, that's Henderson Park Inn, straight ahead. And this is the state park. Absolutely gorgeous day. Here's the adult-only pool. Oh, thank you. No kiddos in this one. Oh, I think there is a hot tub over here.
Oh, there you go.
Go see. I think the hot tub's right over in this little corner. Here it is. There is a hot tub over here. And then this is the main pool area. There's the bar sea level. I think this is the lazy river. Oh, and a splash pad. Very nice. Oh yeah, we love a good lazy river.
Is that the fire pit?
Found another fire pit. This is the one we could see from dinner last night at Primrose. Headed to the private beach access. So this is right off that main pool where the lazy river is. And you do have to remember to bring your room key to access all of these gates. We're walking up to the Henderson Park Inn. This, I believe, was their first original location. I've heard it's a very cozy cottage feel. And they also have a restaurant called Beach Walk Cafe. That is also supposed to be very good, that we will check out.
Here's what the two buildings are.
Oh, there's a tiki bar.
All right, so this is the main Henderson Park Inn. This is the check-in. Wow. So nice for Christmas. Hello. So this is the Beach Walk Cafe right here. So this is Beach Walk Cafe. I can see. Hi.
Hey there.
I can see what your parents meant. It's more.
This is so pretty.
What a heck of a view too, out over the Gulf.
Can't wait to stay here and
Can we come in?
here too. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah. It's prettier out that way if you want for it.
Okay. Oh yeah, it's got outdoor seating right here. But there's your view of the Gulf. It's looking pretty fantastic today. This is nice. Let's see what else we can check out.
King size bed.
We're out on the deck to check it out. Thank you so much.
And this building only has an stairs, no elevator.
Okay.
And then we also have a few rooms that has a coastal view overlooking the state park.
And we plan to stay here.
Nice little patio.
Thank you.
And is this all seating for the beach walk as well, or is the beach walk specifically out here? Gotcha.
In the summertime, we used to, before COVID, sit outside. Right now, it's only these few outside and inside.
Okay.
A little tiki bar down there.
Distancing.
Okay, cool.
So
Thank you.
This place is much tinier than the Henderson across the street, but like everything is old wood and very vintagey. I'm actually shocked how well something like this is held up against the sea air for this long, because I don't think this place has to be like several decades old. But super limited availability in here, and but it's decorated so nice, and I don't know, this feels like so anti-Destin, which is kind of cool. And it's all the way at the end of the scenic highway, so I don't know, I feel like this would be a much more unique experience than like renting a beach house or even staying in the main Henderson building. But very pretty views.
Cozy cottage feel.
Yep. It feels like a bed and breakfast. And I definitely want to come eat at the Beach Walk Cafe, but they're closed, so we'll have to try to come check that out. Okay, we found the beach access. It's past the inn. Right, y'all. Come up over the dunes. Oh, and this is Beach Walk right here, so you have to have a alphanumeric code to get into those. Yeah, the water looks fantastic. I don't think we're gonna walk down there because we got tennis shoes on right now, but how you doing? Yeah, the water is immaculate. You can come on. Yeah, go ahead. And it looks like this is private to the Henderson Inn, but everything beyond that, I mean, it is so quiet here right now. This is probably stacked in the summertime. Okay, so we're gonna go throw some bathing suits on and go sit by the pool or something, but I just noticed on our way back in, these little like balconies at the inn, it almost looks like Disney with their forced perspective. Like these little windows and these little, they look fake. They look so tiny, but they're actual rooms. And I mean, it's a pretty killer view from up there, but I just thought that was funny. So let's go get changed and we're gonna go hang out. All right, so we're on our way back in to go change. And so this is sea level, excuse me. You can tell we live on 38. And this is our little outdoor bar. It's not open right now, and I don't see a menu for what kind of food they typically have. If I had to guess, it's probably your typical pool grill hamburgers situation. But it's pretty nice. So like right now, they're pumping Christmas music all around the pools and stuff, and the pools are heated, so there are people in it. And cool little lazy river, and they are doing an expansion. I think it's called Parkside in the front of the resort, which is actually going to be real estate to buy, so like condos, I'd assume, and that too is going to have like a lazy river and stuff. So pretty cool. But this is a nice little spot, and it's really nice that they have the adult pool, which is just like totally different vibe, and that's where the hot tub is. So you have to be 18 or older to go there. We'll come up here. This is the main pool. Don't dive from here. No. All right, now we're gonna go get changed. Are you taking a video?
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.